A milestone, obviously, but what does it mean for the Indian stock market?
Yeah, the 4 trillion mark was breached yesterday. It's a technical mark achievement, but what it means that India was able to add the latest 1 trillion market value in less than 3 years. Now that pace is important. Based on what analysts or strategists are expecting, India is expected to perform well going forward. A couple of factors that benefit India is that the slowing growth in China, India's growing role in overall global supply chain, as well as political stability in the country makes India one of emerging market favorites. India's key benchmarks are headed for 8 years of advances, which is sort of unprecedented. Not many markets have achieved this in the past. Despite some concerns over higher valuations in India, the case is still strong for stocks in India going forward.
Ashutosh, Adani stocks, they've been a key element of this rally. They've had a huge recovery take place for this company. What are investors saying now? Because the mood music, of course, altered dramatically in January last year with that release of the Hindenburg research report.
Yeah, absolutely. The recovery is very sharp, something that not many strategists would have expected. It has come on the back of some improving investor sentiment for the stocks. The stocks were battered badly. The group lost more than $100 billion of market cap at one point. It has been recovering. What investors point out is that the businesses run by Adani conglomerate have remained fundamentally strong. Their earnings have been good. In terms of their expansion, they haven't really cut down in a big way. They have made a few smaller acquisitions. Their cement businesses, which were acquired last year or year before that, have done well, and they remain in an expansion mode. And most importantly, on the regulatory side, what some investors are reading into is that there is some comfort that worst could be over for the group. There are few cases pending. We are expecting a verdict later this month from India's top court. But despite all these overhangs, the group has managed to win support from lenders. It has refinanced some of its loans. It also won a big support in the form of a US loan for its Sri Lankan venture.